Hello students, today we will again continue with the history of computer. Pascaline and step reckoner. The Pascaline and the step reckoner were mechanical devices that were used for arithmetic operations. Both these devices used gears. The Pascaline was made by Blaise Pascal around 1642. Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz completed the step reckoner around 1694. Difference engine and analytical engine. In the 19th century, Charles Babbage of England designed these two computing machines, but he could not complete them. After him, scientists completed this machine and found that they could do complicated calculations accurately. The analytical engine was far more efficient than the difference engine. It was a mechanical device that could be programmed like a computer. This is why Charles Babbage is considered the father of the computer. Now come to modern computers. All the devices that we learned about in the previous section were mechanical devices and that did not run on electricity. The first true computer was an electrical device. Computers can be divided into 5 generations. The earliest computer belonged to the first generation. The term computer was first used for the people who did calculations. First generation computer. It starts from 1940. This type of computer used electrical device called vacuum tubes. The working part of this device are sealed in a glass tube. Vacuum tubes are large devices. This is why the computer using them were large. Vacuum tubes need a large amount of electricity to work. They heat up a lot, so the computers using them had a cooled properly. One for the first computer of this generation was ENIAC. Punched cards were used for input, output and storage. A punched card is a piece of stiff card in which holes are punched at specific point to represent data. First generation computer would read programs and data from these cards. They would also output data on these cards. Some computers also use printers for output. This computer could only do one task at a time. They had a program precisely for each task. The programs would be on a stack of punched cards. Punched card. A card that helps the computer, the first electric computer, to work on. Vacuum tube helps to generate electricity. Second generation computer. It starts from 1950. In this computer, vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors. Transistors are smaller device than vacuum tubes and use less electricity. So second generation computer were smaller than the computer from the first generation. Although we still quite large, but did not need as much electricity and heated up less. Second generation computers still used punched card and printers. There were no monitors. Second generation computers were called stored program computers. They could store program in their memory. So unlike first generation, they did not have to program every time a program had to be run. As compared to first generation computer, second generation computer take less space to install, but the punch card and the printer were the same. Although vacuum tube is replaced with the transistors, which helps to do the electricity work easily and generate it properly.